Uhlelo lokufunda bekufanele luqale eNyuvesi iUCT. Nokho bengangeli lutho emasangweni njengoba bengavunyelwe umuntu. Lokhu kuholele ekutheni ukufunda kwenziwe ngohlelo lwesimanje lwe-online.
The only time that we are going to stop is if every one of our demands that we have submitted to them has been met. And for as long as that is not the case, we are not going to stop.
Abaphathi beNyuvesi bathi baseyingxoxweni nabafundi ngenhloso yokuthola isisombululo.
The management of the University of the Western Cape met the student leaders and discussed the concerns raised. Decisions relating to these discussions will be communicated in due course. It is heartening that 85% of undergraduate students have been registered to date. Students who are working through appeals and financial clearance have until Thursday, the 16th of February.
Yisimo esifanayo naseNyuvesi iUWC. Abafundi bedlulise uhlu lwabo lwezikhalo maqondana nohlelo lokubhalisa kanjalo nesikhalo sezindawo zokuhlala.
There are minor disruptions. There's some unhappiness about registration and also some issues with accommodation. Those issues are being discussed and there have been some agreements with the student leadership and the university management. So as we speak, there is agreement on that. There's a tiny demonstration on campus, but nothing big enough to disrupt classes.
Abafundi base-UCT bathi ngeke kuqhubeke ukufunda eNyuvesi kuze kuba udaba lwezimali luyaxazululwa.